Amen. Say amen. You say your prayers. Say amen. That's a sweet boy. Yay. Can you count? Can you count? Can you say 1, 2? What comes next? Count. 1, 2, 3. No, you just want food? You ready for food? What about Bob the Builder? Where's Bob? Where's Bob? Bob the Builder. Hey. Where's Bob the Builder? Call Bob. You saying your prayers again? What about Blue's Clues? Where's Blue's Clues?